This is the rainy season now, and this like these are the hardy plants, the coleus plants. Coleus plants need little maintenance, minimum maintenance they require for these plants. And this you can see the different varieties, and it change accordingly as per the color of the sunlight. You can see here these different varieties of the coleus plants. The coleus plants are very easy to grow because it grows in any conditions. It doesn't require like sunny or the shady areas. It grows in any conditions, and the soil requirement for this plant is to the minimum. Like there's no special soil mixture required for this plant. You can see these colors of these leaves. This has a wide variety of the coleus plants. See this also. It's a rainy season just because of that wild weeds you can see around the areas. Coleus plants, this is the right time to propagate the coleus plants also, because in the rainy season it will grow well, and it doesn't have to water much for the coleus plants during the rainy seasons, and the growth will be much faster compared to the summer seasons. You can see this also. So this is the collection of the coleus plants that I need to propagate also at the same time. You can do the propagations for these coleus plants by cutting from the stem area. You can see this is the stem one, so this is just grown like a small from the bigger plant. So you can just cut from the middle of the here and you can regrow it. So this is the collection of the coleus plants, and you can make n number of the small pots of the coleus plants, because if you cut it into small pieces also the coleus plants grows very faster. The growth of this coleus plant is quite uh, faster compared to the other plants, and it also develop the roots very fast. So you can see the plants like it has just grown, and now it's the rainy season also. The moment you try to cut it from the stem and regrow it, it will grow very fast. From this one plant you can make maximum number of pots, and they you have to keep them in the sunny area. Mostly they love the sunlight, the coleus plants, and also the color of the coleus plants changes when you keep it in the direct sunlight. There's different varieties of the coleus plants we can make. See, this is the color has changed, and you have to water them regularly, because you have to water them regularly for these coleus plants. They require the maximum water, and then at the same time you have to ensure that it doesn't remain in the water for long, so that the roots will not get rotten. You have to see to that the pot has a sufficient this thing air leaf to pass out the water from the holes. You have to select the pot which has holes below the base level so that the water can pass out. And when you're putting the mud inside the pot, you just have to see that you have to put first the tile pieces or the granules, and above that you have to put a mud soil mixture of contents of normal soil, sand, and the cocoa pit. So more the soil mixture is good, the plants will also grow into the healthy ones, because these are the hardy plants, so you don't require much attention for these plants. Only you have to water them regularly. So these are the plants what I have it with me. So I'm going to regrow them now, because it has just grown taller, so we can just cut it off from the stem. And when you're cutting it, these coleus plants, you have to cut it from here. See, this is the stem. So you have to see to that, you have to cut it from where there's a stem is connected. So you have to cut it and you have to plant it. So this is a very tall stem, so you can make from here at least 3 to 4 pots. You can, even if you cut it in the small pieces, it will grow into the healthy plants immediately. And as it is a rainy season now, it will grow very fast also. And they don't require much manure for this plant as well. See, these are the Coleus plants. Collections. These are the beautiful collection of the Coleus plants. There are wide variety of the collection, and the color of these Coleus plants changes if you keep them in the direct sunlight also at the same time. So that is the additional variety you will have in your garden if you keep the Coleus plants. And with these shades or colorful leaves, if you keep it at the border plants also, it will look very beautiful. It will look very nice with the area where you keep it. It will look very colorful. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.